guys, Melissa here from Farmhouse Chic. I'm going to do a little video today from my car. I have a little time to kill, so I ran into the Dollar Tree real quick and want to show you what I found. Okay, first on my list, I'm just going to pull it out like they pulled it out the bag. It is, I found some of these little fuzzies, and they've got the little red ones. That's the ones I'm looking to use, but the little fuzzies. Some little red bows. Some more little red bows. Most of the time in my Christmas I don't do a whole lot of red. So I'm trying to incorporate more red, so I thought I would pick up a few little red things because I think I'm going to do my kitchen in the red trucks because I can't give up my Victorian living room. I've had that decoration, those decorations for over 20 years, and I just can't give it up. So I think I'm just going to switch up part of the house in the red and black. I bought a red candle because all mine are white or off-white. And then a command hook. And some red candles, which are the best place to buy candles, actually. Is at the Dollar Tree. Oh, and then I found this little car mount. Not sure how it's going to work, but I'm going to give it a try. It's always good to have a spare car mount because I use my GPS and I use my car and my CD holder. So we'll see how this works out. This actually goes into your vent, and I was really kind of trying to stay away from the vent clips because I didn't want to break my vent. So the one I'm using now goes into my CD player. But this is a good spare in case something happens. And of course I had to get some M&Ms because I needed a good little snack on this rainy day, a little chocolate to perk me up a little bit. To go along with the red theme, I bought some of these little glitter balls. And some red cinnamon. I have a really cute recipe where you put these in with an apple in your microwave and it tastes just like apple pie. If you're interested in me showing you that video or showing you that recipe, let me know. But it's very hard to find these cinnamon pieces, so I thought I'd pick them up. Picked up 2 more of these. If you saw my last video where I did my fall tree, I was actually missing a couple pieces of it, but I just didn't worry about it this year, but I want to make sure I have it for next year before it gets gone. So I got 2 of these. And this little thing. I'm planning on DIYing this, and so I'm not going to use this, what's on here, so I just picked up the sleigh, because I just wanted it for the sleigh. Sorry if I keep looking around, but there's people walking by and stuff, so I kind of keep looking up. Not used to filming in my car, so anyway. Oh, and they had a new sample of Downy. This right here smells amazing. I don't even know. I was trying to figure out what it was. Cool cotton. But it smells amazing, so I thought I'd give it a try. Okay, I also make a really good soup recipe. If you're interested in it, let me know. But the best place to buy chicken broth is the Dollar Tree. And it doesn't expire until 2019. So I got 2 bottles of this for my chicken noodle soup recipe. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, which this may not be the best price for it, but I was in there and I want to make the soup, so I got it. It doesn't expire to 2020. And then egg noodles that goes in the soup. So basically I got everything I needed from the Dollar Tree to make this soup except the chicken, and I already had the chicken at home. And of course my little Rubbermaid containers, because my children take my bowls home, so now I just keep disposable bowls, so when I send them home with leftovers I don't have to worry about getting my bowl back. And last but certainly not least, I found some of this. Yay! It's the little red truck. I'm really only doing the reds and the greens in my dining room, so I didn't get a whole lot of it because I'll just be wrapping a few presents and putting them under the tree. So I picked up 3 rolls of this with the little red truck. But But what I did find that I've never seen in the Dollar Tree before, and it's over in the school section, is this. And it is, it says banner art paper, but it looks like little bricks. And I thought that would be good for a DIY or use as a backdrop for my videos. And I also found the wood grained one. And this isn't like the cabinet paper you normally buy. This is actually, they call it banner paper. And you get 28 inches, 6 foot by 6 foot. So it's a good little roll, and it looks like wood grain. So I picked those up. I picked 2 of the wood grain ones up, and they only had 1 of these. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. Tell me what you think about the new surroundings in my car. Doing a video, but I had a little time to kill, so I thought I'd do a video and show you what I found. All right, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and until next time.